Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TMDI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from after today's price movement. Going to do a few updates here. First thing, just some house cleaning and get rid of these lines there. Sure, these lines still do pertain to the chart. They're just not necessarily relevant, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The one adjustment I am going to make, though, now that we have more data, is to move this level of resistance up to right around the $4.50 mark. Now, if you're saying, wait a second, Clay, yesterday it was at one location, now all of a sudden you're randomly moving it up. Well, first off, it's not random, but I do get what you're saying is, hey, what all of a sudden changed? What all of a sudden made that the resistance? Well, we have more data. But at the end of the day, just for argument's sake, whenever resistance levels are getting just randomly, quote unquote, moved in the upwards direction, that's a good thing. So random or not, the point here is that if lines are needing to be moved upwards, as far as whether that be support or resistance, that is a good thing. So yes, I'm well aware that I did kind of just randomly move that level up there, but like I said, we have more data after today, so I want to factor that data in, and it seems as though 450 is more so that truer level of resistance. But like I said, good to see when red lines are needing to be quote unquote adjusted upwards. As far as levels of support, this is kind of where the whole simplicity thing comes into play and not wanting green lines all over the place. Just use that purple line there, the 50 period simple moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic but highly effective way to judge the health of the price movement is just to keep on monitoring that purple line. As long as the price stays above there, then the bulls are in full control, full health, any way you look at it. That may seem a little too straightforward, but the charts, that's why I like it, because it really does keep it simple, stupid. So the KISS method, just watch that purple line. As that line moves higher, as long as the price is above it, that would imply that the price therefore is moving higher, and that's what you want to see from a bullish perspective. So public enemy number one going forward, $4.50, and then from the grand scheme of it all, stay above that purple line, and the bulls still remain 100% in control of the chart. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.